I get to wear new dresses, eat sweets, and light firecrackers all day. What is not to love about Diwali? Even though this year is not what you expected, I hope you guys had fun and safe Diwali. So I thought of doing the festive drape, which I supposed to finish before Diwali. Life happens. So now let's get draping. For the base, I'm wearing leggings and a sari blouse, but you can wear it on lehenga too. Now, take the inner portion of the sari and start pleating it. When it's about 10 to 15 pleats based on your frame, secure it and tuck it into your pants just below your belly button. Take the top border on your left side and tuck it in until you reach the mid of your back. Then take the pallu and pleat it as thin as you can. Secure the pleats with a pin. Then bring the pallu in front of you through your left shoulder and throw it around your neck. Then take the rest of the pallu on your back and mirror me here. Once you brought the pallu in front of you, gather the pleats and tuck it into your pant like I'm showing. You will have extra pallu like mine. Now take the border on your right and tuck it in neatly just like I'm doing here. For your back, you can wear it like this if you want to show off your pant. Or if you want to hide it, pleat the extra fabric on your back and tuck it into your pant. To bring extra festive to your drape, add some accessories. And you are all done! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one.